Hello and welcome to 4.5 to 4.7 review. This is a reminder you can go back and watch the lesson videos on your Google Classroom account for any of the lessons for 4.5 to 4.7. Your quiz will be tomorrow, Wednesday. So, whenever you're solving equations with fractions and decimals, remember, in order to solve equations, you have to use the opposite operation. Draw your line down from the equal sign or the inequality symbol, and whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Remember, you must have a common denominator for fractions. The decimals, simply plug them in your calculator to do the math. When you get to the inequality part, you solve inequalities the same way you solve equations. But you have to remember your symbols. You have to remember less than and greater than. You have to remember less than and equal to, greater than and equal to. Then the other thing you have to look at is remember which circle they get when you're graphing. Less than and greater than get an open circle because it cannot be that number. Whenever you have less than and equal to or greater than and equal to, it's a closed circle because it could be equal to that number. Make sure you remember that. The other thing is remembering which way to graph. Look at the variable, okay? The A is touching the less than side. So you need to shade the numbers that are less than 10. This says A is less than 10. So on your number line, on number 10, you know it's going to be an open circle because there's no equal to line. And then all the numbers that A could represent are going to be less than 10. So be sure you shade the proper way. Find the letter and see which side of the sign is it touching. That should help you out. Go ahead and complete the worksheet that I've uploaded to Google Classroom. Be sure you check your answers before class is over. Upload your completed worksheet to Google Classroom so I can grade them. Good luck.